Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your subscription in Canva. So if you currently have a pro subscription or whatever subscription that you may have that is not the free, and you feel like, hey, at this point I want to cancel my subscription, I'm going to show you how to do that. So all you have to do is click on the settings gear in the upper right hand side, and this will take you into your account. Now, once you're here, you want to look towards the left hand side where you have billing and plans. If you click on that, you will see the current plan that you have at the top. And as you can see, I currently have the pro plan. So if I want to cancel this, you have the three dots towards the right hand side. Simple click on that and you have the option to cancel plan. Once you click on cancel plan, you will have this option pop up here, this box that gives you what you need to do. And as you can see here, you can keep the pro plan or you can simply continue to cancel. What happens when you cancel a plan? You will continue with that plan that you currently have until the next payment. So after it reaches to the end of that payment or the end of that month, when that monthly subscription would, let's say, end for you to pay to the next month, that's when it will automatically be canceled, because that's what you're setting it up for. And that's it, guys. That's how you quickly go ahead and cancel your subscription on Canva. Very easy and very simple.